What is going on, people? Today I'm going to show you how to tag your videos and live streams by location so that users can find your videos based on your location. It's quick, it's easy, let's get to it. As you can see, the location appears on the watch page just above the title. If you want to see it in action, you can filter for location in the search results, just like this. Just a quick FYI, tagging by location does override the hashtags on your videos. The hashtags still work, you just don't see them. And guys, thank you so much for the 3,000 subscribers, really appreciate you. More videos, more content coming soon. So now if you want to tag your videos by location, just follow these steps. Open YouTube Studio Beta, go to videos, click on the video that you want to tag by location, then click advanced. Select the location and then add your location and click save. Simple. Now doing this is a great way to broaden your reach, because people may not see your videos initially, but there are people who are always trying out the new YouTube features who might like your videos. So try it out and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe and share. Until next time, peace.